Video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how the drama activities were integrated into drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is B2 level. Class size is 20 to 30. Class length is 70 minutes. Topic: Beowulf, a shift in perspective. Warm-up, magic palm. Each student has to find a partner because they have to work in pairs. One student in each pair has a magic palm that can hypnotize their partner. The magic palm leads the partner through the space, the owner of the palm constantly watching over their partner. After a couple of minutes, the players switch roles. The exercise can also work with 3 people, that means one person has 2 magic palms. Activity number 1. Work in pairs. The students are grouped into pairs, and each pair devises a dialogue based on one of the following scenarios. Dragomir hires Beowulf to investigate the murders, detailing the facts and evidence. Grendel's mother, having discovered evidence of her son's murderous rampage, confronts him. Beowulf tracks down Grendel and confronts him. Split personality Grendel in conversation with himself. One student plays the good personality, the other one the evil side. Pairs then perform their dialogue. Activity number 2. Tunnel of Thought. Grendel walks from one end of the classroom to the other, where an innocent victim awaits. All along the path, students on both sides whisper the many thoughts that go through Grendel's head as he is debating whether to kill or not. Activity number 3. Frozen picture. Have the students form groups. In teams of 4, students pick key moments from the story, now reimagined as a modern-day detective tale. They have to construct a frozen picture of their choice. As the teacher touches different students, they speak out their characters' thoughts and feelings. Activity number 4. The hot seat. Various characters could take the hot seat. Beowulf explaining how he caught Grendel, Grendel's mother fielding questions on how the boy she raised turned out this way, even Grendel himself. The other students are playing members of the press, relatives of the victims, friends of Grendel's, etc., asking questions to the character in the hot seat.